Hello, in front of me I've got DDpai Mini free dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with the smartphone app. In the beginning, install DDpai app from Play Store or App Store. Now open the app, agree, add a new device, select no screen dashcam, next, connect to Wi-Fi. Now, power on your camera.
Hello, DDpai.
Enter internet settings on your smartphone and select DDpai Mini free. Enter the password. By default is from 1 to 0. Now when we are connected, let's go to app, refresh, select your camera, and it's done. Now we are connected with the smartphone. Then you can change Wi-Fi password. And now let's take a look what the camera offers us. Firstly, we can check current image from the camera. We can capture photos. And download photos and videos. Then we can go to capture function, thanks to which we can check our downloaded photos and videos. Next we can go to emergency to check the emergency recordings. If we go to settings, we can change speaker volume, manage smart interconnection, enable or disable switching tone, go to dashcam installation guide, enable or disable flip the screen left and right, and change many more functions. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.